crispy bristles with embellished batter. Designer Kim Marie.
Good evening, people of Caloocan City. For the end time, wala po bang palakpakan dyan? Thank you. In a world where everyone would like to be noticed, I prefer to be remembered. I may not be the prettiest, the sexiest, or probably not your most talented candidate, but one thing is for sure, I am authentic. And I am always ready to give them a good fight. Hello, Philippines. Hello, world. My name is Ash Aldama, 26 years of age, all the way from the historical capital of the Philippines. Mula sa bayan, sinilangan ng ating kalayaan. I am your Miss Grand, Kawit, Cavite. Tonight, allow me to stand by the name of your one and only lady who once captured the heart of Mr. Aljura Brenca. Magbigay pugay sa inyong reyna amihan, Miss Kylie Padilla. I am a tourism ambassador, a social media manager, and proud and humbled to be the first ever